go. Dragged her inside from the snow, a victim of the vicious cold. And the way won't make me stronger, and the day is growing long, and the fire ain't gonna harm her. 10 more miles and still no peace of mind. Daddy says we gotta leave the county, so's to put her into the ground. Swearing, boys, now don't you never doubt me. Load the wagon, make no sound. And the good Lord took our mules at the river. Buzzards creeping close behind. And a stench so foul it'll make you shiver. And the way won't make me stronger, and the day is growing long, and the fire ain't gonna harm her. 10 more miles and still no peace of mind. A crooked case, a rat trapped in a maze. The only chance I'll have to take is set this barn ablaze. And the pain is getting stronger, and the day is growing long. So the flames will have to calm her. 10 more miles to burn this piece, and the way won't make us stronger, and the day is growing long, and the fire ain't gonna harm her. 10 more miles and still no peace of mind. 10 more miles is 10 more miles. Wait, 10 more miles and still no peace of mind.
The song we sang is 10 More Miles. It was inspired by a William Faulkner book called As I Lay Dying, which I'm a big fan of William Faulkner's writing. And yeah.
I like the book too.
Yeah, the lyrics are basically stay pretty true to the storyline and how the Southern Gothic feel of the characters and what happens. It's something that we get to share together.
This is like how our relationship started, and
Yeah.
it just,
Yeah.
I mean,
We were asked to sing together, and that actually led to us falling in love and getting married.
and making music.
And